Martin Luther King Jr. was a light. He was a light in the darkness of segregation and inequality. His words were powerful, his message was clear, he believed in peace, he believed in equality for all. King showed the world the power of love. He taught us about nonviolence, he faced hate with courage, he never gave up on his dream. Dr. King's legacy inspires us, he reminds us to fight for what is right. We must never forget his sacrifice, we must continue his work, we must build a better world, a world free from hate and injustice, a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta, Georgia. He grew up experiencing the evils of segregation. These injustices fueled his passion for change. King was a gifted student. He went to college at a young age. He became a minister like his father. He believed in the power of faith to bring about social change. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, King embraced nonviolence. He believed in peaceful resistance. He knew that love was stronger than hate. King's beliefs shaped his life's work. He dedicated himself to fighting for civil rights. He knew that change wouldn't come easily, but he never lost hope. Martin Luther King Jr. became a leader in the civil rights movement. He led the Montgomery Bus Boycott. This boycott lasted for over a year. It showed the power of peaceful protest. King's words touched millions. He gave his famous "I Have a Dream" speech in Washington, D.C. He spoke of his dream of equality. He imagined a world where his children would be judged by their character, not their skin color. King faced opposition and violence, but he never wavered in his commitment to justice. He organized marches and demonstrations. He spoke out against injustice wherever he found it. Martin Luther King Jr.'s life was cut short. He was assassinated in 1968, but his legacy lives on. His words continue to inspire us. His message of hope still resonates today. To honor Dr. King, we celebrate his birthday every year. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is a national holiday. It is a day to remember his work. It is a day to reflect on his dream. Dr. King's legacy challenges us. It calls us to fight for justice and equality. It reminds us that change is possible. We must never stop striving to create a better world for all.